I was involved in a sting operation with the National Forest Service for doing commercial services on forest property without a permit. And so after I was charged, I asked for help and I received excellent help from the law firm. Well, because it's a federal case, I figured that the federal judge would have the time and money to be able to persecute me to the full extent of the law. And so I felt very nervous that this could, say, escalate into something that I hadn't anticipated, and it had fairly steep charges against me.
When someone calls me for the first time, they are in one of the worst places that they've ever been in their entire life. They are worried about their future. They're worried about their finances. They're worried if they're going to go to jail. All these worries come out right away. The first thing that I want to do as an attorney is lower their stress level. And what I do is by talking to them about what I expect from their case. But I also make sure that I get to know that person, not only as a potential client, but as a human. One of the biggest mistakes that people have when they have a criminal charge is believing that the prosecutor is on their team. A lot of times people go into court unrepresented and think that if the prosecutor makes them an offer, why wouldn't I just take it without an attorney? What you have to remember is that the prosecutor does not represent you. But if you hire an attorney, they do represent you, and they will have your interests at mind.
The end result is that I got a deferred prosecution for a year as long as I kept my nose clean, in a sense that I wouldn't have to face any charges. So far it's been really breezy to do that now that I know exactly what is expected of me. So far so good.
I think comfort level and experience are the things necessary when you're looking for a criminal defense attorney.
I really did feel that I was cared for. There was a lot of personal touch. They'd shown me that they actually cared about how this all wrapped up, and they're still in touch with me to make sure that I'm still happy and things are going well for me.
If someone is on the fence about hiring an attorney because they're not sure that they can afford a good one, I think those answers or those questions are unfounded. I think the benefit and value in terms of hiring an attorney, especially an attorney from our firm, is the counsel that you're going to get. Listen, when you're facing a case like this, you're losing potentially your freedom. And to me, the amount of money that you have to pay an attorney is worth having that peace of mind that my rights are going to be protected.